channel. This video is all about how to style your yarn, braids, twists, whatever. My edges, you know, I did a few little lay down with my last touch edge brush. For these different styles, you're gonna need a bunch of rubber bands like these, or headbands, bobby pins. Sis, you're gonna need all that. So I use one of my hairs from the back, and I just wrap it around. And then after that, you just tuck it away. Okay. Then use the other one and wrap it the opposite direction. Ooh! When I first had these done, I felt like Lil Wayne. They were so stiff. But once they get older, it looks so much better and it's settled in. So this is what my hair looks like straight down. If you ever had crochet, it's that feeling. Like it's very light. It's not heavy at all. Shout out to my cousin Lisa. She did these for me. We're gonna grab a bunch in the front and just start twisting. And for this one, you need just a regular rubber band. You can use a bobby pin, but I feel like our band is more secure to hold. Putting this twist in, let's do it to the opposite side. You grab some hair, start twisting. Go to the back, which is one of my go-tos. Take out the bobby pin. So I hope these styles were simple and easy for you to use if you have yarn twists, locks, braids, any kind of protective style with braids with twists, or even flock locks. Like you can do these different types of those too. You can do so many different things with this style. I showed you guys in my recent video with the crochet of how to sleep in and keep your scalp clean. I do the same routine as I do with these. So if you want to check that out, how to maintain your protective styles, I will link it up top so you guys can see that. And I will see you guys in another video.